Hi everyone, welcome to Business Tips, and my name is Dr. Bunko, your business doctor. In my last video on the Cameroon business license tax, I did mention the general provisions of that tax according to the Cameroon General Tax Code. And I also did mention the basis of calculation, which of course is the turnover of your business and its personal nature and the annuality of the tax. If you missed out on that video or haven't watched it, the link is in my description box below. Probably you want to click and watch that before watching this video, because this video is a continuation or is the second episode to that one. And in this video, let's look at the calculation proper of the Cameroon business tax. Without wasting much of your time, let's talk business. Welcome back. Annex 1 to Chapter 1 of the General Tax Code groups turnover into 7 different classes, and each class has a different tax rate that's applied to that turnover. And the general rule is the higher the turnover, the lower the tax rate used to calculate your business license tax. To calculate your business license tax, there are 7 elements that come into play. Now let's look at all of them one after the other. Now, the first element is your tax base, of course, which is just your turnover or the turnover of the previous year for your business. And then the second element is the principal business license tax, which is the tax base multiplied by the rate found in the General Tax Code. And as I said earlier, the rate depends on, the bracket in which your turnover falls into. And there are 7 of these classes. Of course, the taxman will usually want to use the higher rates of that bracket. So we are going to look at that as we dive into the example, which is coming up very shortly. The third element is real business license base, which is 80% of your principal business license base. And they are actually using 80% because they want to reduce or favor the taxpayer. So they are taking 80% of your principal tax base to calculate your business license. That's before they apply the business license tax rate on it. The fourth element is FEICOM. In French is Fonds Spécial d'équipement et d'intervention intercommunal, which is 20% of your real business license base. The fifth element is RAF, or in French, redevance audiovisuelle. This element is just equal to your principal business license taxable base. So it's the same thing, or multiplied by 1. Now, the sixth element is CCAI. In French is Chambre Consulaire d'Agriculture et d'Industrie. That's 3% of your redevance audiovisuelle. And then the seventh and the last one is the TDL, or Taxe de developpement local. And it's calculated based on the grid published by the local council in which the business operates. Let's look at this example where a company based in Douala makes a turnover of 1.73 billion francs CFA in 2017. And if you are asked to calculate the business license tax for that company in 2018, let's look at that example one after the other, taking the stages as we go, right? So don't go anywhere. Above 2 billion francs CFA, calculating your business license tax is a little different from the example I just gave you. I'll cover many more examples in my subsequent videos so that you can understand that much more better. If you like this video, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, smash that subscribe button right now, and also click on the like button. Share this video as much as possible so that many more people get to understand how to calculate their business license tax. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.